Hello and welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. This thing right here being a 2020 Harley Davidson Street Glide Limited. You know, fairly decent. No, you've been to Blue Ridge Parkway. I don't know what that is. There's it's a little dirty. It's fine. It's just here to resell, so we're gonna make it right and some glue everywhere. And well, we have opinions. There's opinions on the back of this particular motorcycle. What's that? I don't think that works as a good antenna. Looking around this bike, it's not terrible. It's got some issues, but it's not that, well, little rusty fasteners there. We'll take care of that type of thing. And then, Punisher sticker, I think. Is that the Punisher? I don't really know. Whoa! There we go. There's the problems. Harley Davidson. This happens, and this bike had to have come out of Florida. That salt air gets to them extremely quick, but it happens anywhere. Once that coating, that clearish coating goes on these forks, it's all over. Once moisture gets in there, they start corroding, and it turns into that mess. So we're going to use glass cleaner, we're going to use some 3M, we're going to use some others, and some 320 sandpaper. It's going to get this out of here. Get rid of the fender because, wow, look at the powder just flying off of it right now. There's me sitting down. All right, let's get to it. We're going to sand this down with, I believe we're going to start with some 120-ish, and I like just, making a little strip out of it and just getting at it. There's machines you can't really get all the way around. You could pull the wheel off. Yes, if it's your own bike, I would recommend pulling the wheel off. Then you can turn the fork, and you can get to everything. This way is, we're reselling this thing. We're going to make it better. We're going to make the corrosion go away and not come back. But we're not, it tastes terrible. We're not going to go for a show bike right now. We're going to go for a machined stock look. That's the goal. And I can do this really fast when I'm motivated. Which I did not speed this video up at all. This is real time. I'm kind of a freak that way. So we're gonna get a little, get some air going, get it out of the way, so you don't taste as much. Keep on sanding and sanding. And step up to the 320. I believe this is what I'm doing for the demonstration purposes. Be a lot done off camera. And more time lapse. How long did I do this? This seems to, fast forward. It's going forever, really. It does clog up the sandpaper. You want to blow it out every now and then. And more sanding. This is riveting stuff. Subscribe and do the bell thing. I don't know. I'm new to YouTube. Podcaster here, just trying to make the change. You notice down there on the rotors, we changed out those bolts. So much better. All right, let's see if I had, I can't remember what I did, honestly. Oh, good. All right, I did do another side. Just to show you what the completed fork is going to look like. This is, ugh. And here's with the sanded part. It's getting there. The top is done with the 320. The bottom, still rough. You gotta, sand it out a little bit more. You step up your sandpapers. And then it kind of helps with the polishing. I'm gonna go to, what am I doing here? I'm doing more sanding. This is ridiculous. This is just a video of a guy sanding things in an awkward position when he really wishes his lift was open, but nope, we're doing this on the floor. More sanding, more sanding. This is hard to commentate on when it's yourself. You're like, okay, yeah, hit that button. Let's just blow past all this. Jesus, come on. Actually, the whole process for both forks, you can get it done in about an hour. It's really not that bad. It's not hard. It's labor, is what it is. It's not hard labor. It's just doing it. You just got to do it. And it's aluminum. You're not going to hurt it. It's already jacked. That's why we're doing this to begin with. Here we're moving on to the 3M, by the way, the Scotch Brite pad. That kind of gives it more of a machine finish. And then after that, I actually like to go to a Quad Zero steel wool with some spray away, which is, I don't know why spray away is so much better than the other window cleaners. It's got to be like higher alcohol content. I don't know, but your steel wool doesn't immediately turn into rust, which is nice. You can keep using it and get bolt forks done. And then you just kind of, well, am I ever going to get to it? I don't know. Slow down. I imagine the next process is going to happen. It's been so long since I recorded this. I have no idea what's going on. There's your machine finish. It's kind of stock from this point. You can re-clear it if you want, and it will look like a stock factory fork. Take a little mothers to this thing, just wipe it. You can see the difference. You know, it's way better, right? Like, you can turn around and sell this thing, or you can just, I mean, if this is your bike, you can ride it. It's great, you know? Just blast this fender back on. Slowly. Can't find the hole. We'll get there. Still. Why do cameras do that? Why? I don't understand. I'm going to have to figure this whole videoing thing out. I don't know why the camera's just like, you know what? I'm going to zoom out right now. You didn't tell me to do it. It's a phone. It's just a phone just sitting there. It just decides that I'm going to readjust what you got going on there. We'll get it. There it is. Yeah, we're way off. There we go. All the other videos are going to be much more streamlined. I'd like to say I promise, but I don't know. Shot of the old crotch. Didn't I cut this? I thought I am not good at editing. We'll get this figured out. Anyways, I'm just showing you how to do forks. This isn't, I mean, Spielberg. I mean, you know, go watch a movie if you want something professionally done. This is just an idiot that knows how to fix certain things. All right, and here we go. Let's try that again. And here we go. This is new bolts, polished out forks, and we did a quick polish on the rest of the bike and gave it a good wash. And that's about it, really. The bike actually was not terrible. It was just, you know, this area right in the front. We got rid of the pinions off the back, you know, so we can, you know, so families can, you know, be okay with the bike sitting there without 4-letter words all over it. Yeah, she actually came out pretty decent. And this is just a way to get around doing, you know, chrome forks or just rolling with like a good looking bike and crusty forks. Harley, get it together. Okay. I mean, how many years has it been? You still can't figure this out. All right. This has been This Thing's Got Problems. Do the like and subscribe if you want. I don't know. It's up to you. Okay. See you next time.